This is Terlato Pinot Grigio from the northeast region of Italy, and they're doing a blind taste test inside.
So you chose the Terlato?
For me, it was an easy choice.
Much better flavor.
It's definitely a fuller profile, fruit flavor forward, like a burst.
It feels more balanced and crisp.
I picked like a strong apple flavor. I've never had that in a wine before.
This just has more fullness and character and boldness to it.
This one is light and flavorful.
Drier, but in a good way.
It's refreshing.
And one is more flavor and more hit to it.
On the nose, like you can actually just see like the ripe golden apple, kind of like apricot, a little bit of white peach as well. Very long finish. It's very, very, very nice.
I would definitely, now keep my eyes open for Terlato.
I would get the Terlato.
I'll buy a bottle right now.